Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what I eat in a day. And this is my normal routine as far as what I eat pretty much every day. So I just thought I'd share it with you. So before I get started, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my videos. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Hi everyone, I'm back. I showed you this morning my breakfast, which was the coffee, and I showed you what I put in there. So now I'm going to make it's almost noon, so this is going to be considered my lunch. And it is a smoothie, and I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I put in my smoothie. And I have been eating or incorporating more fruits. However, this is the only time of day I will eat my fruit. I've just been missing fruit, and it is ketogenic friendly. The only thing that is not ketogenic friendly is the banana that I put in it, but it is such a small piece. And then I use blueberries or berries, which is, keto friendly. And I've got my collagen, and the collagen I used 1 scoop. It asks for 2 scoops a day, so I put 1 in my coffee and I put 1 in my smoothie. And I've got avocado, I've got my protein powder. The protein powder asks for a scoop. I only put half a scoop. For some reason, I've tested it out to where if I put a whole scoop, it irritates my stomach. So I'll use half a scoop, and then I use some almond butter and coconut water. I use half a cup of coconut water, and the other half I put water. So instead of almond milk or any type of nut milk, because I am using almond butter, that's what I use for the liquid. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you. Hey guys, so this is it here. This looks so delicious. And this recipe, by the way, I got from another YouTuber, So Heather. She talks about in one of her videos, her health videos, she talks about a morning smoothie that she's, you know, made for so many years. It is so delicious. Y'all need to try it. Okay, so this is dinner. I'd say this is, I can't even tell you how many ounces this is, but this is the salmon. It's got, we made it with butter, and I put some lemon just now. And then I've got the jalapeno poppers with the bacon and cream cheese. So this is going to be my dinner for Wednesday. Okay, and that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me down below in the comments. I will answer your questions. I'm always willing to help. And if this is a video you like, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And I'm curious, you know, eating ketogenic, if you're eating ketogenic, ketovore, what are your favorite dishes or meals? Please list them down in the comments below. I'm just curious, you know, maybe one day I'll just change it up a little bit. But anyway, I want to thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.